Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to access GPT4o. Now GPT4o is the newest flagship model that provides GPT-4 level intelligence, but is much faster and improves on its capabilities across text, voice, and vision. GPT4o is much better than any existing model at understanding and discussing the images you share. For example, you can now take a picture of a menu in a different language and talk to GPT4o to translate it, learn about the food's history and significance, and get recommendations. In the future, improvements will allow for more natural, real-time voice conversation and the ability to converse with ChatGPT via real-time video. For example, you could show ChatGPT a live sports game and ask it to explain the rules to you. The main features included in this model include: you can experience GPT-4 level intelligence. You can get responses from both the model and the web. It can also analyze data and create charts. You can also chat about photos you take, upload files for assistance summarizing, writing, or analyzing, and also discover GPT Store. And lastly, there is also a more helpful experience with memory. Now, in order to get this model, you will need to open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for chat.openai.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, if I click on this drop-down menu, you can see that I am using the free version or the GPT4o. You can see that I have asked the chatbot a question and it has given me the answer in a simple manner. But if asked for the references, you can see that the websites are mentioned at the top and all of the information is also present below it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.